Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on TradeZero. And if you want to do this, first of all we go right here to TradeZero.com. Then we click right here on sign up, and then you see right here that we can choose between a funded account or a free paper trading account. So let's select right here a funded account and then we do continue. Then right now we need to fill in right here a lot of information, so we will do this real quick. And then right here we click on continue. Then they send a verification to our email, so they want us to fill in right here the code. So we will do this real quick. There we are. And now we need to set up our account. So we can decide right here if you want an individual or a corporate account. So let's do the first option. Then we go further and we need to fill in right here all our information. So we will do this real quick. And now we need to verify ourselves. So we click right here on begin verifying, select here your country, and then you need to verify right here with your passport. I don't verify myself right now because I already have an account, so I can do that, but you need to verify right here with your ID. Then afterwards, you see right here the bar. So let's click right here on cancel, okay. Then right here, you need to fill in all your information for your ID. Then afterwards, you will get also a lot of questions about your trading knowledge. And then after that, you also need to upload somewhere your address. So an entity or something like that. Then once you filled everything in, so this page, the page behind this with all the trading knowledge, you verify your ID, then you can start trading. So this is exactly what you need to know to create your own account. All the steps will follow from here. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.